The RTX 3090 Ti, a monster GPU, 40 shader teraflops, 78 RT teraflops, 320 tensor teraflops, 24 gigabytes of 21 gigabit per second G6X memory, the fastest ever. The RTX 3090 Ti, our next BFG PU. Tune in later this month for more details. Today, we are announcing the RTX 3050. The GeForce RTX 3050 brings the performance and efficiency of the Ampere architecture to more gamers than ever before. It powers the latest games at over 60 frames per second. Based on our Ampere architecture, the 3050 comes equipped with second-generation RT cores for ray tracing and third-generation tensor cores for DLSS and AI. For the first time, you can play ray trace games on a 50-class GPU at over 60 frames per second. The RTX 3050 comes equipped with 8 gigabytes of G6 memory, and starting at just $249, it will be available worldwide on January 27th from all of our partners. Today, we are announcing the RTX 3080 Ti laptop GPU, bringing the flagship 80 Ti class of GPUs to laptops for the first time. Featuring 16 gigabytes of the fastest GDDR6 ever shipped in a laptop, the RTX 3080 Ti delivers higher performance than the desktop Titan RTX. RTX 3080 Ti laptops start at $2499. Introducing the RTX 3070 Ti. It's 70% faster than the RTX 2070 Super laptops and delivers 100 frames per second at 1440p. RTX 3070 Ti laptops start at $1499. And laptops powered by both of these new GPUs will be available starting February 1st. For creators looking for the best laptop for your work, we are also announcing new Nvidia Studio laptops. With the latest RTX GPUs, these laptops are 7 times faster than the newest MacBook Pro 16 in 3D design. With RTX hardware accelerated ray tracing, AI, Nvidia's high-performance video processor, they are the perfect tool for any creator workflow. Today, we are announcing the 4th generation Max-Q technologies. Let me show you what we've done. On laptops, power is shared between the GPU and CPU. CPU efficiency is critical for maximizing performance, so we developed CPU Optimizer. We've worked with CPU vendors to create a new, low-level framework enabling the GPU to further optimize the performance, temperature, and power of next-generation CPUs. As a result, CPU efficiency is improved and power is transferred to the GPU for more gaming performance. For creators and students who rely on compute-heavy apps like Adobe Premiere, Blender, or MATLAB, we've developed rapid core scaling. It enables the GPU to sense the real-time demands of the application and use only the cores it needs. This frees up power that can be used to run the active cores at higher frequencies, delivering up to 3 times more performance for intensive creative work on the go. Battery Boost 2.0 has been totally re-architected. Now, AI controls the whole platform, finding the optimal balance of GPU and CPU power usage, battery discharge, image quality, and frame rates, all in real time. The result is great playability on battery, with up to 70% more battery life. Today, we are announcing that Nvidia Omniverse is out of beta and generally available to GeForce RTX Studio creators. Omniverse brings over 20 years of Nvidia's groundbreaking work in graphics, AI, simulation, and compute into a single platform to transform 3D workflows. Let me explain how it works. Omniverse connects independent 3D design worlds together into a shared virtual space. The connecting language of Omniverse is USD, or Universal Scene Description, which you can think of as the HTML of 3D worlds. Today, a 3D artist typically works sequentially across multiple applications, like 3ds Max for modeling, then Substance Painter for texturing, and finally Unreal Engine to arrange the scene, exporting and importing large files many times along the way. With Omniverse, artists connect their apps and then compose the combined scene using Omniverse Create. Once in Omniverse, an artist can draw on NVIDIA's superpowers, like physics, which can let artists use true-to-reality simulations that obey the laws of physics, and RTX renderer to see the scene in real time, fully ray traced or path traced. Omniverse also lets you collaborate with another artist from across the room or across the globe, connecting their favorite apps into a single shared scene. Changes made by one designer are reflected back to the other artist, like working in a cloud shared document but in 3D. This is the future of 3D creation and how virtual worlds will be built. Today we are announcing an even easier way for artists to collaborate with Nucleus Cloud. Now in early access, Nucleus Cloud simplifies Omniverse scene sharing. It's one click to collaborate, and your entire 3D scene is online. Leading 3D marketplaces are now featuring Omniverse-ready assets. Check out the collection of free assets now available in the Omniverse launcher. Omniverse Machinima has been a big hit with creators who love to game. It lets you remix and recreate your own game cinematics with thousands of game assets and environments. We are now adding MechWarrior 5 and Shadow Warrior 3 assets to the Machinima library. Audio to Face is a revolutionary AI-enabled app that easily animates a 3D face with just an audio track. We are now supporting blend shape and direct export to Epic's MetaHuman.
I'm here to talk about autonomous vehicles. It's perhaps the most intense AI challenge, but it's also one with the greatest benefits to society. We've created this end-to-end automotive platform in modules so that our partners can use exactly what they need to speed time to market and build a product that can stay true to their brand. We have some partners that just buy our chips and core operating system while developing their own software applications. Other partners like Mercedes-Benz rely on us across this entire stack, from our self-driving software running on Nvidia drive computers in each car to training AI models in the cloud, synthetic data generation, vehicle validation, and testing of new features through simulation, which finally get pushed over the air into each Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Both the hardware and software must be comprehensively tested and validated to ensure they can handle the harsh conditions of daily driving with the stringent safety and security needs of an automated vehicle. This is why Nvidia has built and made open the Drive Hyperion platform, which specifies a high-performance computer and sensor architecture that meets the safety requirements of a fully autonomous vehicle. Today, we are in our 8th generation of Hyperion. It has been adopted by hundreds of automakers, truck makers, Tier 1s, and robotaxi companies. Hyperion 8 is designed with redundant drive-oriented computers, 12 state-of-the-art surround cameras, 9 radar, 12 ultrasonics, 1 front-facing LiDAR, and 3 interior sensing cameras. It's architected to be functionally safe, so that if one computer fails, there's a backup available to ensure that the autonomous vehicle can drive its passenger to a safe place. Nvidia has built DriveSim Replicator, a synthetic data generator for autonomous vehicle development. Replicator helps our AI engineers to build up hard-to-label ground truth data by synthetically generating them from virtual cameras, LiDAR, and radar sensors within our Omniverse simulation platform. In this way, engineers can train AI models even before any real data has been collected. And Replicator can label ground truth in ways that humans cannot, tracking moving objects across sensors, velocity, distance, occlusion, and severe weather conditions. It's a really powerful tool for the AV developer. It's accurate, low cost, and it fills in gaps for data not easily found in the real world. But there's another equally important computer that is needed for a next-generation software-defined vehicle, and we call it Drive Concierge. With Drive Concierge, vehicle occupants have access to intelligent services that are always on, using NVIDIA Omniverse Avatar for real-time conversational AI.
Welcome, Cheryl. Your calendar shows your CES hotel check-in for tonight. If we leave now, we can avoid traffic on 880.
Perfect. Drive me there.
Omniverse Avatar connects speech AI, computer vision, natural language understanding, recommendation engines, and simulation. The technology of Omniverse Avatar enables Drive Concierge to serve as everyone's digital assistant, helping them with recommendations to make reservations, safely use mobile devices, and provide alerts like if a purse is left behind in the vehicle. Drive Chauffeur and Concierge together can do really beautiful things. As an example, they can serve as a valet to let you out at the entrance of your destination and enable the car to search for a parking spot on its own. And then when you're ready to leave, you simply summon your concierge who will ask your chauffeur to drive your car back to you.